Hey everyone, it's Miss Riley. I'm not going to lie. This is about take 30 on the virtual open house for dance. So I think we're going to get through it this time. I'm Miss Riley. I've been the dance teacher here at Bailey Middle School for the past 9 years. This has become a home away from home. In my real house, I live in Huntersville with my husband Brian and our two boys. Alex is actually a seventh grader here at Bailey, and Ben's a fourth grader at Huntersville Elementary. We have a dog, Henry. He's our rescue good deed dog. During quarantine, we got to get you up to speed. I took up hand knitting. I made reeds. Really exciting. Then baseball came, so I got to spend my weekends in 100-degree temperatures on the baseball field. I'd rather have been at the beach. It's not going to happen. So instead, my neighbor and I have signed up for a virtual race, Blue Ridge to the beach. So we have 475 miles to go until February. All right, so when do we do dance and how do we get there this year? So you get there by logging on to your dance Canvas course to access the class announcements, get the links to our live class and the modules. For our eighth graders, I will see you 10:50 to 12 p.m. Sixth grade, I will see you 12:30 to 1:40, and then seventh grade, you will hop on 1:45 to 2:55. Take note, eighth grade performance dance class, you are first semester B days. If you are a seventh grade performance dance student, you are assigned or should be assigned second semester on B days. If you guys have any questions about that, please reach me or reach out to me directly and we'll take a look at your schedule. All right, so what does dance look like this year and what do you need? It will be a little different, that's for sure. Space is going to be different. Your performance perspective may change, but one thing's for sure, you'll still learn and you're going to have a lot of fun like we always do. So up on the screen, you'll see the seventh grade focus. We explore elements of dance. We do a warm up, we have a class dance, and then move on to cultural dance. Seventh grade, we have an introduction and review of the elements, move into a warm up, another class dance. We move into dance for artistic expression. We do a choreographer study in dance with that. Eighth grade, we will do actually a video project with elements of dance and then go into our class warm up, learn more about anatomy, another class dance, North Carolina dance history, and 20th and 21st century social dance, which is a lot of fun, one of my favorites. Then seventh grade and eighth grade performance dance students, you're going to continue to develop in the variety of dance techniques and forms that exist. You're going to take part in daily dance conditioning and enhance your dance performance quality that way. Also, there'll be virtual dance opportunities. They'll be live, recorded, performed. We will get more information out to you as we go forward. So what does everyone need? You need to be ready to move. So for a live class or planned movement time, you need to have space about an arm's length in all directions. And you should be able to sit comfortably in a V-shaped position with your legs. So if you have any concerns about your space, please reach out to me directly and we will get that figured out for you. Movable clothing. So when you're performing, you want to make sure you are in comfortable clothing that you can move in. Bare feet or socks will work. And make sure hair is pulled back and you have no jewelry or big baggy clothes on. Fluids. Please make sure you're drinking a lot of water every day, not in just dance class, but we need it for our mind and our entire body. So make sure you have your water. Chromebook. You're going to need to log on to Canvas each day to access our class and the asynchronous classwork and the classwork modules. So for right now, just make sure you have that. If anything else comes up, I will let you know. And a mindset to let loose. Dance will always be fun. I promise you'll continue to enjoy it. Our bodies want to move, so embrace that and take that opportunity during our class time. If you need to reach me at any point, my contact information is coming up here on the screen. You can reach me by email at deannalriley at cms.k12.nc.us or on the website at broncosdance.weebly.com. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me anytime. Thank you.